we're very proud of what she has
Nakatiwi si Daddy
done.
daw.
And because it's not all, it all came from hard work, really.
Maaga kasi siyang nag-umpisa eh. As early as 8 years old, nag-start na siya. Ng mga ganyan, sa TV, dancing, singing, na-train na siya. Kaya siguro ngayon, parang perfect na yung mga ginagawa niya.
Kasi mami.
Happy birthday Nadine. We wish you good health. Kahit marami kang schedule, kahit na halos puyat ka lagi, sana hindi ka magkakasakit. And we wish you all the happiness sa career, sa love life, and sa friends, sa amin. And we wish you all the best. Again, happy birthday and we love you. Happy birthday, Ate Nadine!
And again, Nadine, happy birthday. We wish you all the best and happiness. And magpapakabait ka lagi. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Mahal na mahal ka nilang lahat. Lalo na ng mga supporters namin.